Welcome back to a weekly vlog. It's Monday. I am about to film a video with this Summer Fridays lip gloss. This is my first time trying it. I've never tried one before, so I'm really excited. And you already know I got this off of TikTok Shop. I have so many things coming in on a weekly basis from TikTok Shop, so just get used to it if you're not already at this point. And then I also got this Dibs Desert Island Beauty Status. It's like a blush and contour stick. I also have the brush, a Dibs brush coming in the mail as well. Otherwise, I already would have tried this out over the weekend. But I want to use it with the brush to get the full experience. The colors look really nice online. I chose, this is number 3. Anyways, I think it's a really pretty shade for me. Not too orangey. I feel like the blush is gonna be perfect on my skin tone. I don't have anything on my lips right now. I usually always line my lips before I apply anything, like even a gloss. But I'm already comparing these two, and in one of my previous vlogs I was talking about how the Rhode glosses are smaller in person than I thought they were gonna be. So this is 0.3 fluid ounces. I think these are, I gotta look again, maybe $18. I think these are like 23, but the Summer Fridays have 0.5 ounces. I'm like, it's such a tiny amount, but so this one does have more, just a little bit more. I've heard that these are scented and they taste good, which these aren't scented, and I was actually hoping for these to be scented, so I might like these more. I'm not sure. I have a few different shades coming in the mail too. I have a cherry coming in, I believe. This one is poppy, so this one's more orange, so I try to match my outfit to the color. So yeah, I'm about to try it out right now. This is gonna be my first time filming with my back camera with my new setup, and so far it looks good. I get the hype now. This is really nice. I love how the applicator tip is like grooved in like that to like fit the contour of your lips. I'm obsessed already. I can't wait to get my other ones in the mail. Okay, so I just checked online and these Rhode lip glosses go for $16 and the Summer Fridays go for $24. So far, I like the Summer Fridays more because it just feels nicer on my lips, and I like the fact that they're scented. I like the Rhode too. Maybe I haven't worn them enough, but I don't know. I really like the applicator on the Summer Fridays. I've been seeing people talk about it on TikTok. So it's curved to match the contour of your lip, and it just feels really nice. It's also like squishy. The material it's made out of is like really soft on your lips. So you're paying a little bit more for Summer Fridays, but I think it's so worth it. I just changed into something comfy because I need to finish getting some content for the coffee table that I got off of TikTok Shop. I think I got it. Now I just need to edit this video so I can post it and then move on to my next task for the day. I'm on my way to the gym right now with my hubby, and I have just been noticing how brassy my hair looks. Like, I feel like I need to tone it, but I'm not gonna go to the salon for that, so I'm not sure if I want to do like a box tone. I saw something on TikTok that you can get at Target where like you put it all over your hair and it's supposed to tone down the brassiness, which is like what I have. It looks really bad in certain lighting, but yeah, it's just like starting to look orange. And when I first got it done, it was super dark, which is how I wanted it. But now that I've been washing it a few times, it's been lightening up a bunch and it's looking a little crazy. But it always looks good whenever I blow my hair out. Like whenever I straighten my hair, the color always like corrects itself somehow. And it always ends up looking nice. It looks like I got a dye job when I blow my hair out. But it's just when it's curly, it can just look super brassy or just like orange, I guess. I've never toned my hair myself before, but looking back at old pictures, I can tell like I have needed to do that so many times because I feel like my hair just turns brassy so quick. And I only wash it like once a week. I don't even wash it that often. We've been loving the Trader Joe's salmon with veggies lately. So this is a mixture of squash, zucchini, and carrots. It only takes 10 minutes to cook in the air fryer, so it's super quick. And then we top it with this Japanese barbecue sauce. This stuff is so good. I put it on everything and I haven't gotten sick of it yet. I love it on my chicken, my rice. I just drizzle it on top like that. It's so good. Happy Tuesday. I just came to my car because I want to film a video for TikTok Shop. It's this diamond highlighter powder spray. I haven't opened it yet, so I want to do like a little unboxing out here with some natural light. So we're gonna do like a little first impression video, and it's like freezing today. That's why I have this big coat on. I also just finished trying this Kimchi Chic Beauty setting powder earlier, and oh my god, I'm obsessed. I think I like it more than the one size translucent powder because my face just looks so airbrushed and matte. Like if you know me, then you know I am a grease ball, so and I love the big powder puff that it came with. When I set my face, I usually use just like a regular brush, but the powder puff that it came with, I feel like it just helps it apply so much nicer. Anyways, it's my first day wearing it, so let me not get ahead of myself. I'm obsessed with this already. This is so freaking cute. Oh, it says that it's waterproof too, so we'll have to see how long it actually lasts though, because so far I really like it. Let's put some on our arms. Oh my god, it's like fairy dust. I love this. If you couldn't tell, I'm obsessed. There's glitter everywhere. We'll see how long it actually lasts me though. I love this. This is so freaking cute. It's about 5:30. My glitter video didn't come out as good as I thought it was going to, so I'm gonna have to redo that another day. The sun was just too harsh, so you couldn't really see the glitter. I just got done editing some content. I need to take a little break because I'm tired. I feel like I need a nap, but my husband and I are gonna go to the gym pretty soon. I need to do some more hairstyles though. I haven't filmed many hairstyles recently, and I used to create like maybe at least 4 to 5 a week, whereas lately I've only been creating like maybe 1 to 2, so I need to get back on it. I love creating hairstyles too. I don't know why I fell off. I've been reorganizing my closet for the last hour. I was on FaceTime with my sister and I got a lot done. So right here is all of my spring pieces, and then I have some back here too, but I put like all of my favorite pieces or things that I haven't worn up here in the front. And then I moved all of my winter stuff over here. Well, most of it anyways. Other than my PJs, I don't really grab anything from this side, and I got rid of a lot of clothes while I was doing that. These dresses are so freaking pretty, especially for spring, but they're from Shein and I've gotten a lot of wear out of them. I have just been telling myself that I've been wanting to get rid of every single piece of Shein clothes that I have, and I've gotten rid of most of them, but this is just like the last of it. And then just some pieces that I've had in my closet that I haven't worn at all over the season. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff. And then I have a bunch of boxes because I'm a hoarder, so I'm getting rid of that. And yeah, I always feel so good after I clean out my closet, and this just kind of happened unexpectedly, so I'm really proud of myself. I could use a little bit more work, but I think it looks so much better. Happy Wednesday. I just got to Trader Joe's because I want to get some tulips to fill this viral flower bookcase that I got off of TikTok Shop. But it's right next to Ulta, so I'm going to go over there and see if I could smell Kylie Jenner's perfume that she just came out with, because I want to know what it smells like, and I'm here, so I might as well. People are saying that it smells similar to my favorite perfume, which is the Mugler Angel perfume. There's like a few different ones, so I don't know exactly which one it is, but it's in like the maroon bottle, and I need to get another one. I shouldn't be grabbing another one because I have other perfumes at the moment. It's not like I don't have anything right now, and I'm not trying to spend money if I don't have to, but it is in the back of my mind. So let's just go in there and see what it smells like. Also, it's the first day of spring and the weather is perfect. It's like 70 degrees today. It feels so nice. tulips at Trader Joe's were super small and they weren't even close to blooming, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer, maybe see if I can get some somewhere else. When I went into Ulta, there was this super nice older lady helping me. I sprayed Kylie Jenner's perfume all over me because I liked how it smelled, and then like after a couple of minutes, I kind of feel like it started to smell like more mature, like an older lady perfume. And then we went over to look at the Mugler perfumes and they didn't have my personal favorite one, but she recommended one of her favorite Mugler scents and I sprayed it on me and on this. And it has like a little coconut undertone, I feel like. It smells so freaking good. I've been out of my personal favorite perfume for a while, so I kind of forgot what it smelled like and they didn't have it in there. So when I smelled this one, I don't know, it smells so good. I might have to go back in there and get it just because I like it more than Kylie Jenner's for sure. Kylie Jenner's, I'm sorry to say, but it ain't all that. I'm gonna take advantage of this beautiful day and go to the Rose Garden. So I'm gonna go home, change, maybe see if I can do 1 or 2 outfits, go get some content at the Rose Garden, and then call it a day. I just did my hair. I created the messiest bun ever. There's like 100 bobby pins in there, but I love how it came out. It's super romantic. I used this mini curling wand that I got forever ago off of Amazon. It makes super tiny ringlets. They're almost a little bit too tiny for me, but I think it works. Oh my gosh, I came all this way for nothing. I mean, it was only about 15 minutes from my house, but the roses aren't even blooming yet. Like, they're not ready. I don't think they're gonna be ready until next month or maybe a couple more months, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to get some content somewhere else real quick. There are some people out here though. That was a fail, but I parked next to a rose bush, so that's perfect. I'm just gonna try to get some content right there. These will have to do. I just got done getting some content and I don't know why I feel like someone's watching me. I get all nervous and shy even though no one's out here. I mean, if someone is watching me, I can't see them. But yeah, I just got some content next to this rose bush here and I felt really bad picking this flower, but I just wanted to put one in my hair or, you know, use it as a prop. I took a couple of videos, so hopefully I got something. I just don't really like the way my body looks in this dress. For some reason, like certain angles are just not flattering. So I like this dress, but I don't love it for me personally. It's just not one of my favorites. But I did bring another dress just in case. I just don't think I'm going to change into it because the sun is just a little bit too harsh right now. And it's a little bit awkward and this spot only gives you like 30-minute parking, so I'm gonna head out pretty soon and go on a walk with my husband. I have a bunch of content to edit today because I've been filming a bunch today too, so yep, that's the plan. I feel like I probably got a little sunburn while I was out there. The sun is harsh. Happy Thursday. I was creating some content for TikTok Shop earlier. I was using a new contour stick and brush, but I just changed into these new sweatpants that I got from Gap. They're the LoveShackFancy collab. So I originally ordered this sweater full price like a couple of months ago. And the sweatpants are now on sale, like 60% off. So I went ahead and ordered them. The only thing is I ordered a different print in the hoodie because they have like 3 different ones. And I ordered a pink one. It's like a pink floral print, but they only sent the leggings. So I just got off the phone with them not too long ago and I have to wait like 2 business days before I can file a claim. And I've been here before. I feel like this kind of happens often. I mean, it's annoying, but at the end of the day, I'm like, I just want my hoodie because I went ahead and ordered the matching sweatpants for that hoodie too because their sale is just so good. I'm like, I need to take advantage of this. So that's what I did. And I'm about to get some content with my husband because we're about to go on a walk in this outfit. So I'm really excited about it. It's perfect for spring. I love this set so much. It's so freaking cute. I'm collabing with Lulu's again this month and I just opened half of my order. Look how gorgeous this dress is. It almost matches my coffee cup completely. Like, look at that. Isn't that crazy? I'm so excited to get some content in this. You know I'm going to be holding this coffee cup. I'm waiting on the rest of my order, but look how cute these shoes are. I love the flower detailing. And then I got these blue ones that look denim. Happy Friday. I finally got my messy bun to look good, so I'm super proud of it. I did a Pilates 20-minute workout this morning, and I've never done one at home before. I've gone to Pilates classes before, and I always thought like you just had to do Pilates with the machine, but come to find out, I loved it, and I think I'm a Pilates girl now. I never thought that would be me. Usually I do like 20-minute HIIT workouts, which are like high interval training, so they're pretty intense, but like first thing in the morning, like I don't want to do that. I dread it. So with the Pilates, it's like a mixture of yoga, ballet, and what else? I think I looked it up. It was yoga, ballet. Anyways, I loved it so much that I think I'm gonna start doing Pilates for my morning workouts. I just got this Diet Coke sweatshirt off TikTok shop. It's so freaking cute. I have another one with Dr. Pepper and I've been wanting this one for the longest time, so I finally got it. But I need to get a head start on editing my vlog because I always wait until the last minute, and I've been ending up editing my vlogs on Sunday, which is the day that I upload them, and it kind of takes away from my weekend. So I'm pushing myself to finish editing this vlog by today. I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.